Welcome back. IPS officer T.N. Mohan has taken charge as the new Director General of Goa Police. After joining the office, T.N. Mohan said that Goa is a tourist capital. Hence, Goa Police will do its best to provide security to all guests and local too. DGP also said that he will evaluate the available resources with Goa Police, the challenges and work accordingly. IPS officer of 1986 batch, T.N. Mohan was earlier posted as SP in Goa in 90s. Mohan said that situation in Goa has changed since then. He is committed to perform at his best.
The whole idea is to give the people of Goa a good police service and also to provide security for the people of Goa. That's I think is our job. And we have also this job that we have guests coming from all over the world to us, which is very important economic reality for us. Therefore, we need to also see that we have a Goa which is not only clean but also crime-free.
Mukesh Kumar for Prudent. The 46th State Level Athletics Championship is in progress at Kampal. The two-day championship has received a good response with over 800 participants in the competition. The Goa Athletic Association is happy with the number of participants. Since the Bambolim Athletic Stadium is yet to be handed over to the SAG, the state championship is being held at the Kampal ground.
Goa Athletic Association ही 46 स्टेट एथलेटिक चॅम्पियनशिपाक उत्सुकसो प्रतिसाद लाभिल्लो आहा. आमी ह्या वर्सा एक नवी संकल्पना चालू केली, एथलीट्स रजिस्टर करचे आनी आमकां जवळ जवळ 865 एथलीट्स रजिस्टर जाला. आमी रजिस्ट्रेशन चार्जीसूच घेतलेले, ते बी 2 वर्सांचे चार्जीस. आणि आमी ह्या वर्सा यंग ग्रुपूय चालू केला, पेरंट्सांकूय इन्वॉल्व करचे आनी यंग किड्स म्हणजे टॅलंट सर्च करचे म्हणून अंडर 10 आनी अंडर 12 ग्रुप चालू केला. ह्या वर्सा आमची मातशी डिले जाली मीट कारणान, कित्याक लुसोफोनिया बी आसलेले म्हणून. आज जवळ जवळ 57 इव्हेंट जाल्या, 57. फाल्यां जवळ जवळ 60 इव्हेंट आनीक उरल्या.
फाल्यां कितल्यांक सुरू?
फाल्यां 8 5000 इव्हेंट जातलो चालू सकाळचो. आनी आमी रावपाची म्हणजे पयसचे भुरगे आहा पळय काणकोण धार बांदोड्या सांगे तांकां रावपाची भुरग्यांक वेवस्था केल्या यूथ हॉस्टेलान.
एथलेटिक्साक एक फूल फ्लॅज डेडिकेटेड स्टेडियम बांबोळे आसतना हांगा ऑर्गनायज करपाचें कितें कारण?
ना, अजून तो स्टेडियम तसो एसएजी कडेन हँडओवर करूं ना. आनी आतां आमकां म्हणजे एथलेटीक फेडरेशन ऑफ इंडियान आमकां यूथ नॅशनल्स अलॉट केला, सो आमी ती निश्चिंत थंय घेतले आनी ती 20, 21, 22 एप्रिलाक आसा. सो आमकां तेन्ना ग्रावंड मेळटलो अपेक्षीत आहा.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.